Right, so to get started, go ahead and head over to your store's settings. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Business Hours. Next, you'll see a few options to choose from when it comes to your business hours. You can go with 24 hours for 7 days, set up custom hours, or mark the store as closed. For this setup, I'm going to go with custom hours. Now, let's talk about your business timing. You have the flexibility to set the same working hours for every day of the week, or mix it up with different hours for each day. In this case, I'm opting for different hours each day. So go ahead and set up each business day. Just enter the start time and end time for each day. For Sunday, I've decided to mark it as closed, and I've added a little note saying the store is closed. Once you've got everything just the way you want it, don't forget to save your settings.